Hey guys, and welcome to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So let me show you in this video how to tell when it is the best time of the day to publish your YouTube videos. If you have a YouTube channel, this video will be very helpful for you. So I will show you a simple method. So go to your YouTube studio and simply click on analytics. So you will have to have some videos already. And in the right side here, you will see this real-time updating live analytics chart. And here you should see this wave pattern. So this will be back with 48 hours, so 2 days back from today. And we will see these wave patterns here. So these will go like this, usually. And this is 2 days from today, and this is yesterday. And the best time to publish your YouTube videos is when this wave is growing and it is starting. So in my case, the best time would be 17-18 hours and also 17-18 hours. So this should be the best time to publish the YouTube videos you are uploading. And in my case, I release videos in this time frame. So the moral of this video is that I should push back my publishing time to this time. So yeah, maybe I will reconsider publishing my videos at 17-18 hours in my time zone. So yeah, this is how you will be able to get this information from YouTube on when it is the most efficient time for you to publish your videos to get the most views. So yeah, thank you for watching until then. Let me know what you think about this video. Until next time, have a nice day, stay safe, bye bye.